This is the weather forecast video for Monday, December 26th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see some cloudiness with a few showers over the deep south and into the mid-Atlantic. A bit of some cloudiness with a storm over the northern Rockies and another moving into the Pacific Northwest. Here's the watch warning map from just before midnight, fairly quiet across the country with some wind advisories over the northern plains, a freeze advisory over the San Joaquin Valley, and a winter weather advisory over the Washington Cascade Mountain Range. Here's the QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Friday evening at 6 o'clock shows a decent amount of precipitation across the deep south and up the eastern seaboard, and also along the Pacific Northwest coast. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run at 6 p.m. this evening. You can see some energy to our south over Texas with a bit of a trough axis to the west of the state. And at the surface you can see a storm system there with some rain over the lower Mississippi Valley that may skirt the southeastern counties of the state with some cloudiness, but nothing more than maybe a flurry or two there. We head into Tuesday. That storm then runs up the east coast with some rain and some snow over the mountains and into the eastern Ohio Valley, while we miss out on the snow once again with temperatures seasonal. The seasonal readings continue into Wednesday with a bit of flurry and snow activity off to our west over the plains and northern Rockies and the Pacific Northwest with that storm. Moves a little bit closer on Thursday, some lake effect snow over the eastern and central Great Lakes, a bit of snow or maybe a rain-snow mix over the Dakotas into the northern Rockies and Pacific Northwest, which continues into Friday. Maybe a flurry or two around here with any accumulations likely a dusting, if that, with lake effect snow off to our east. We head into Saturday, the weekend. A little bit of a system moves in with a bit of some snow over Minnesota and Wisconsin, but yet again we seem to be getting no luck with any snow, and then it moves off to the east. Bit cooler heading into next Sunday with highs likely in the lower and middle 30s. A week from today, the 2nd of January, still a bit of energy to our west, but we still have mainly a west-east flow across the country, which means the air is coming from the Pacific and not Canada, and that means warm temperatures and some southwesterly winds coming, which means we could see temperatures pushing or even going above 40 degrees with still mainly precipitation off to our east and west. We head further into the month. Here's the 6th, and this could be the next real big chance of any precipitation, more than a flurry, a sprinkle, or anything else. And this looks to be mainly in the form of snow. So snow lovers better love this, because this could bring some substantial snow if this pans out, albeit this is in voodoo and still a week or so away. But by the end of the model forecast run on the 10th, we're back to the same pattern, west to east, a bit of a dip over the central part of the country. And any snow that we get from that one system and possibly from either this system will keep temperatures down, and keeping temperatures down means the snow will stick around for a while. Let's hope so. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.